welcome once again to our Grable Studios. I'm Eddie Grable, and that's Eddie Grable. He came with me to school again today, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about mostly Maui, how they still haven't received help. You might remember this chart image that I popped up in a previous video. Well, they're providing funding to Ukraine and also Israel and humanitarian aid and other, and where is all the aid for US citizens that need it? Where is it? Why is it going to these other countries? And I just wanted to shed some light, and I follow a guy on YouTube who is providing more coverage on the Maui situation than our own media, because I don't know why. Why isn't our media covering this? So the clip I'm going to share is from Hawaii Real Estate. That's his YouTube channel. Let me look. Yeah. Hawaii Real Estate. And it just shows that the Hawaiian people are still in need of so much help. The people of Maui aren't getting the help they need, and the media isn't covering it. So we're covering it here, just trying to spread some more information real quick before we get inside here and get to work. So the video that is Hawaii Real Estate's video, I've sped it up, but you can see that the traffic goes on for miles and miles and miles, and these people have to wait in this traffic daily just to get supplies and to do the things that normal people take for granted. And what is going on?
Yeah. We're glad to see Hustle B is alive and well. Alright, so here we are. We're coming up on the post office, the police station, the fire department. So far, over here, by the way, is the Wahikuli neighborhood. Interesting factoid. Matter of fact, somebody just sent me a video showing all of the power lines arcing before the fire got to a certain.
Hey guys, I just wanted to say that it was a rough weekend. I went to Pastor Ken's funeral, and there was hundreds and hundreds of people there, and I was able to give Lois the cross that I made for him in the last week's video, and she was extremely grateful and said that she would display it in their home. My heart really goes out to the Pierpont family. I've been listening to Pastor Ken's podcasts a lot lately on the way here to Sam Buford, just gaining all the knowledge that he had to offer. And I suggest you go check it out too, because he has a lot of good knowledge to share. That's really all I have. I'm gonna go finish my Windsor chair. I'm not really there in the editing of the videos though. Everything's a little bit behind, and I think I'm still working on my tool chest, which I still haven't finished. I need to get in here one of these weekends and knock that out the rest of the way. I just got really backed up when I hit that deer. The shop had my car for a couple months, and it was just difficult to come in extra time and work on the stuff. And so now I'm a little bit behind, but it happens. I'll catch up. I have some review videos that I have to do for Tool Tech as well. I appreciate them being lenient and not pressuring me to get those done, but I am going to get them done. They're coming soon. Thank you. Alright, Eddie, you ready to go inside?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Alright. You ready to have a good day today?
Yep.
Me too. Let's go. One more shaving ought to do it. Sneaky, sneaky.
You're doing good, Jeff. What?
I just got it to fit.
Right. Well, we were supposed to wait on these.
Are we?
Yeah. Once you get the front cut and fit perfectly, you lay the front on the back piece. Just roll it out, cut it out, and then
Alright. So can I cut my front piece up?
maybe, yeah. Your hand, you really got this fucking hand. Well, so we got this one, and then make it like final cut and make it go towards the floor. There you go. I would say, yeah, good, good, yeah. I don't have my glasses.
Naughty, naughty.
Don't tell anybody, you're fine. Well, you know what I'm saying? I think I'll just do the final cut. Yeah. You didn't have all of these. I think it's okay. Yeah, no, it's great. I think there's enough grain. Yep. Your grain's nice and straight too. It's not like axe where it's got a whole bunch of strokes. This is nice and straight. Yeah, I think you're. I like it. I think it's a better option than going and spending another $50 on wood.
Alright guys, I decided to do my middle section in maple. I selected a board here with some cool looking grain. I got it marked off where I'm going to make my cuts. Making it big again, that way I can sneak up and get the right size that I need to fit perfectly.
Close to the edge. Let's go check this out.
It's stayed a little later than usual today, but I got a lot accomplished. Didn't get quite as far as I wanted to get, but that's okay. I'll get back at it on Thursday.
Excellent!
After these messages, we'll be right back. After these messages, we'll be right back.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Yeah.
After these messages,
We'll be right back. After these messages, we'll be right back.